Imagine robots with not just one but three brains. What could this mean for the future of AI and robotics? The advent of three-brain robots represents a groundbreaking leap in artificial intelligence, pushing the boundaries of what machines are capable of. These advanced robots are setting new standards by integrating multiple neural networks to enhance decision-making, adaptability, and interaction. Watch this video about three-brain robots offering unprecedented levels of intelligence and efficiency. How these robots revolutionize industries, improve daily life, and redefine our expectations of AI's capabilities. Look at the future of robotics and the incredible advancements. The three-brain robots. The idea of three-brain robots is both revolutionary and fascinating. Traditional robots typically operate using a single neural network or AI model designed to process information and execute tasks based on pre-programmed instructions or learned experiences. While these robots have made significant strides in automation and machine learning, they are often limited by their single-brain architecture, which constrains their ability to handle complex dynamic environments. The three brains can be thought of as: sensory brain is responsible for processing sensory inputs such as vision, touch, sound, and even smell. It allows the robot to understand its environment in real time, detect changes, and respond accordingly. The cognitive brain is the decision-making center. It processes the information gathered by the sensory brain and applies reasoning and problem-solving algorithms to determine the best course of action. The motor brain is in charge of executing physical actions such as movement or manipulation of objects. It translates the decisions made by the cognitive brain into precise motor functions, allowing the robot to interact with its environment in a coordinated and effective manner. Together, these three brains work synergistically, creating a system that mimics human intelligence in ways that single-brain robots cannot. The result is a new generation of machines capable of complex reasoning, adaptation, and interaction with humans and the physical world. Advancements in artificial intelligence (AI) is reshaping robotics and creating even more possibilities for how humans and robots interact with each other. Here's how. Digital twins. Engineers already use digital twins to simulate the behavior of robots, refine robotic designs to maximize performance, and even control robots from a distance. But AI takes these capabilities to another level, providing alerts for predictive equipment maintenance and simulating entire processes to define more efficient workflows. Because AI-powered digital twins can compile and analyze large amounts of data, they're also ideal for revealing customer trends, pinpointing anomalies, and providing other big-picture insights. Robotic automation. The development of artificial intelligence has led to increasing robotic automation. This has benefited service robots that perform simple tasks and hold basic conversations, as well as drones that are able to fly on their own to gather aerial data for construction sites, monitor crops for farmers, and deliver packages for food companies. Smart cities. Visions for sustainable smart cities often include AI and robots working together. For example, Seoul has used robotics equipped with AI to provide care to the elderly and assist in classroom education for youth. The two also have a role to play in leading waste management efforts in urban environments. AI-powered robots can quickly transport and organize waste, enabling cities to maintain cleaner spaces while reusing as many resources as possible. Generative AI. Many robots are able to complete requests based on pre-programmed guidelines, basic controls, and speech recognition technology. But ChatGPT and the innovation it sparked in the generative AI space could spill over into robotics, bringing upgrades to robots' language models. Microsoft is working to implement ChatGPT into robots, allowing users to initiate interactions with robots through verbal statements. While this technology is still in development, robots infused with generative AI hint at a world where robots can understand and respond to human language to deliver faster results. Revolutionizing industries with three-brain robots. The introduction of three-brain robots is poised to revolutionize several key industries by setting new standards in efficiency, adaptability, and intelligence. 1. Manufacturing. In the manufacturing sector, automation is already playing a pivotal role in improving productivity. However, traditional robotic systems are often limited by their inability to adapt to new tasks or handle unexpected changes in the production process. Three-brain robots can overcome these limitations by continuously learning from their environment and adjusting their actions accordingly. For instance, a three-brain robot in an automotive factory could switch between assembling different vehicle components, inspect parts for defects, and even make real-time adjustments to optimize production flow, all while interacting seamlessly with human workers on the floor. 2. Healthcare. In healthcare, the potential for three-brain robots is enormous. These robots can assist doctors and nurses in performing delicate procedures, managing hospital logistics, and providing personalized care to patients. The sensory brain allows robots to interpret medical images and patient data, while the cognitive brain can make decisions based on this information, and the motor brain can carry out precise actions such as administering injections or preparing medication. Moreover, the ability to interact with patients using natural language and emotional cues makes these robots invaluable in caregiving roles, especially for elderly or disabled individuals. 3. Retail and customer service. Retailers are increasingly turning to automation to improve customer experience and streamline operations. Three-brain robots are set to become a vital part of this transformation, with their ability to understand customer needs, recommend products, and handle transactions. These robots can manage inventory, assist with online orders, and even provide in-store guidance, making them indispensable for modern retail operations. The combination of advanced sensory processing and cognitive reasoning means that these robots can personalize their services, offering customers a tailored shopping experience based on their preferences and past behavior. 4. Logistics and supply chain. Logistics and supply chain management is another industry ripe for disruption by three-brain robots. These machines can oversee the movement of goods in warehouses, optimize inventory, and manage the loading and unloading of shipments. Their ability to multitask and adapt to changing conditions in real time makes them perfect for handling the complexities of modern supply chains. By integrating AI-powered decision-making with physical action, three-brain robots can improve efficiency, reduce errors, and lower costs in logistics operations. The future of three-brain robots. At companies and universities around the world, engineers and computer scientists are devising ways to make robots more perceptive and dexterous. The robotics industry worldwide keeps innovating, combining artificial intelligence and computer vision and other sensory technologies, according to Analytics Insight magazine. The magazine noted that newer iterations of robots are easier to set up and program than their predecessors. Some notable developments in recent years include high-tech ocean robots that explore the world underneath the waves, a robot named Sol that shoots UV rays at the Ebola virus to destroy it, and an AI-controlled therapeutic robot that helps caregivers and patients communicate more efficiently, which reduces stress. Robots are becoming more human-like in cognitive ability and, in some cases, appearance. In warehouses and factories, at fast food joints and clothing retailers, they're already working alongside humans. This one in Germany can pick like a champ. They're even starting to perform functions that have typically been the domain of humans, such as making coffee, caring for the elderly, and crucially, ferrying toilet paper. Robots have even made their way into the agriculture and biomedical sectors, harvesting crops, treating diseases, and performing other essential tasks. But no matter which sector they serve, robots are far less advanced than many thought they'd be by now. What does all this mean for humans? The rise of AI and robotics is bound to forever alter society, generating both excitement and uncertainty. Robotics and artificial intelligence can streamline everyday chores in the home, improve operations in workplaces, and contribute to efforts to make cities and public spaces more sustainable. While robots may take on a greater role in society, they may also merely supplement the work that human professionals do. In this way, robots can serve as partners in building a more efficient and safer environment alongside humans. At the same time, AI and robots present other problems that need to be resolved. There's no doubt that some jobs will be lost to automation, and issues around data privacy and rapidly evolving technologies leave many people vulnerable. Arguments for and against these technologies are valid, but they don't change the fact that AI and robotics are here to stay. While it still remains to be seen whether these technologies will have a positive or negative impact on humanity, the one certainty is that humans must adjust to a world where robots and AI are a regular part of everyday life.